Prime Minister Narendra Modi has come down heavily on Rahul Gandhi. Prime Minister Modi said Rahul Gandhi attacks the Maharajas only for political gain. Rahul Gandhi backing those who praise Aurangzeb. Appeasement politics at its peak, and this is being done by the Congress party. This is Prime Minister Narendra Modi's latest attack on the Congress party and on Rahul Gandhi.
कांग्रेस के शहजादे आजकल घोषणा कर रहे हैं और भाई बहन दोनों कर रहे हैं कि वो चुनाव अगर जीत गए तो पूरे देश का एक्सरे करेंगे। महिलाओं के पास स्त्री धन कितना है, गहने कितने हैं, सोना कितना है, मंगलसूत्र कहां पड़ा है, इसका एक्सरे किया जाएगा। आपकी संपत्ति पर कब्जा करने के बाद कांग्रेस इसे रीडिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की बातें कर रही है, अपनी पसंदीदा वोट बैंक को देना चाहती है। कांग्रेस के नेताओं ने ईवीएम पर तो झूठ बोला है और देश का हर नागरिक कहता है कितने महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर झूठ बोल करके आपने देश के लोकतंत्र को बर्बाद करने का षड्यंत्र किया है। ये शहजादे का कहना है कि भारत के राजा, भारत के महाराजा ये अत्याचारी थे। साथियों, कांग्रेस के शहजादे का बयान सोच समझकर वोट बैंक की राजनीति करने के लिए, तुष्टीकरण के लिए दिया गया बयान है।
कर्नाटक में उनकी सरकार आई, 4% माइनॉरिटी आरक्षण किया। किसका कटा? ओबीसी का कटा। आंध्र प्रदेश में उनकी सरकार आई, वहां पर भी 5% माइनॉरिटी आरक्षण किया। किसका कटा? एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी का कटा। और जामिया मिलिया और अलीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी में भी आज भी एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी आरक्षण से महरूम है। इसका एकमात्र कारण कांग्रेस की एससी, एसटी, ओबीसी नीति है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who's now coming down very heavily on Rahul Gandhi and saying it's the Congress party which is only indulging in appeasement politics, and that too only for political gains. He also said Prime Minister is backing those who praise Aurangzeb. Prime Minister said this is appeasement politics at its peak and it is being done by the Congress party. Also saying that it's not just Rahul Gandhi but even Priyanka Gandhi who now has started giving statements. The statements clearly speak about the fact that all that the Congress party wants to do is appeasement politics. They want the vote of the Muslims but have not been doing anything for the Muslims across the states in the country. Prime Minister also making sure that he speaks about everything that the government has done. He says that when our government comes down, when our government says that they want to do something, that they do everything for everyone in the country, but the Congress party only is doing appeasement politics. Rahul Gandhi is backing those who praise Aurangzeb. This is Prime Minister Narendra Modi launching an attack on the Congress party. My colleague Anaga is now joining me on the story. Anaga, very clearly we are now seeing that it's Prime Minister Narendra Modi who's taking Rahul Gandhi's name, Priyanka Gandhi's name, and saying that this is just appeasement politics being done by the Congress party.
Well, Aishwarya, he said the same thing about Rameshwaram Cafe blast as well. He said that when the blast occurred, the Congress tried to cover it up by saying that it was a case of cylinder blast or that it was a case of business rivalry, because the Congress wanted to protect its vote bank. That's what the Prime Minister said. Apart from that, he also took a dig at Congress siding in with the PFI unit in Wayanad by saying that the Congress is siding in with the SDPA organization in Kerala. Just implying that all that Congress wants to do is to appease its vote bank and to appease minorities is what the Prime Minister, he launched that kind of scathing attack in Belagavi today at an election campaign.
Thank you, Anaga, for giving us all those details. Prime Minister's latest attack on Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi.